55% of plasma, containing nutrients, salts, proteins and including the antibodies. 1% are white blood cells and about 44% of the blood are red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. These red blood cells can differ between individuals. In AB blood group system, we distinguish 4 types: A, B, and O. They differ in membrane-bound glycolipids. These are different antigens. Red blood cells of type A have glycolipids, a special sugar molecule. This is not found on the membrane of erythrocytes from blood type B patients. However, they have different sugar profile, in this case galactose. These are 2 different antigens. People with blood type EB express both types of these glycolipids, so both antigens. Blood type O red blood cells have neither of those antigens on their membranes. They just express a basal form of the membrane glycolipids, antibodies. Now we have to introduce antibodies since they also vary along those blood groups. Therefore, we have to understand that which express different types of antibodies against all possible antigens. However, we do not express antibodies against antigens which are native for us. Otherwise, our immune system would attack our own cells. That means in the body of person with blood group A, we cannot find antibodies against the A antigen. All other antibodies against foreign antigens can be found. So blood group A contains antibodies against blood group B antigens. Blood type AB is special. Red blood cells express both variants of glycolipids. Therefore, A persons do not have any antibodies against those. Now, to blood group O. Here we do not find glycolipids with A or B antigens. That means this system expresses antibodies against both A and B antigens. This concept is critical when considering a blood transfusion. What happens? We transfuse red blood cells from blood type A to a patient with the blood group B. Blood group B also means that antibodies against the A antigens are present in the patient. These antibodies bind to the glycolipids with the A antigens. On a larger scale, this leads to blood clotting, also known as coagulation. Coagulation is very dangerous, can even result in death of the patient. So let's have a look which blood group donor can donate blood which patients. Blood group A. Of course, donate to patients of same blood group. However, blood group A should not donate to patients with blood group B. But why? These patients express the antibodies against the A antigen. We have already shown that this could lead to coagulation. Blood type A can easily be donated to blood type AB. Why? Because these recipients do not have any antibodies against the antigen, because they themselves express it. The reason the blood type A cannot donate to blood type O is easy, because the recipient has antibodies against the antigens and B antigens, and can lead to coagulation. Blood group B can donate to recipients with type B and A because of the same reasons for type A. Blood group AB can only donate to same group type AB, and cannot donate to A or B because of the antigens. Blood type O can donate to every blood type because of the absence of antigens on the membrane. Therefore, it's considered as the universal donor. And the blood type AB is considered to be the universal recipient. It is important to mention that more factors are important considering blood transfusions. The another factor is known as rhesus factor or Rh factor. If the Rh antigen is present on the surface of red blood cell, it is considered as rhesus positive. If this factor is absent, we consider it Rh negative, which we will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. And hey, consider donating blood if you can. It really makes